Okay? Naslednja beseda je sled. Se lahko, se.
Ti še lahko se prepišeš, tu nekam napišeš.
Lahko, presledek. L. A.
Tako, dobro.
Molto bene. Now we will write the name for this. Okay. What is this? It's
black.
for example, a shirt, T-shirt. I don't know. Okay.
Po angleščini.
Yes, we will write in English, in Italian, in Slovene. Okay.
Okay.
Very good. You too. You need to finish first,
Tudi
and then you write.
Tudi po.
I will help you. Yeah. Okay. But draw harder so that it can be seen. Okay. Se lahko.